Hey, welcome back to another junior statistics video. Right, we've been speaking of graphs lately, so now we're going to turn our attention to some analysis in terms of calculations. We're going to start with talking about an average called the mean. An average is a number that tells us what is the central or typical value for a set of data. For example, a footballer might average 2 goals each game in a season. This does not mean they score exactly 2 goals in every game they play, but gives us an idea that they typically score around 2 goals in each game, sometimes more, sometimes less. In mathematics, there are 3 types of averages we're going to explore: the mean, the median, and the mode. Right, we're going to start by talking about an average called the mean, and it's calculated by adding up all the numbers in the dataset and dividing this total by how many numbers there are in the dataset. So the mean is equal to the sum of all the numbers, adding up all the numbers, and dividing by how many numbers there are in the dataset. Right, let's get into example 1. A footballer scores the following number of goals over 10 games. 4, 0, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to calculate the mean number of goals scored per game. Right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to add up all those numbers first, and they add up to 20. Now we're going to divide 20 by 10 because there are 10 numbers in the list. There were 10 games. So 20 divided by 10 gives a mean of 2. The mean number of goals scored per game is 2. The average number of goals scored is 2. Now you can see that he didn't score 2 in every game, but it sort of gives us a typical or middle of the road idea of what is going on over the 10 games. Right, example 2. A footballer scores the following number of goals in 8 games. 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 1. So we're going to calculate the mean number of goals scored per game. Now remember, the mean is we add up all the numbers. And that adds up, including the zeros, that adds up to 12. And then we take what they add up to and divide by how many numbers in the data set. There are 8 numbers in the data set, so 12 divided by 8. 12 divided by 8 gives us a mean of 1.5. So the mean number of goals is 1.5. Now, you can't score 1.5 goals in one game, but we can still say the mean is 1.5, which tells us that typically they score between 1 or 2 goals each game, sometimes more, sometimes less. All right, so that's the mean. We add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers in the data set. Awesome, thanks for watching.